Here on our lovely planet Earth, we get a lot of different daily weather conditions. Sunshine, rain, snow, hail, sleet, winds, etc, etc. But we also get a huge variety of extreme weather, like tornadoes, hurricanes, giant hailstones, and superstorms. So we thought we'd look at some of the most unusual and most extreme weather of all. Firstly, let's look at a place that goes from one extreme to the other at the drop of a hat. The plain states of the USA are known for dramatic temperature changes and extreme weather, and this reached a peak in 2017 when, after reaching 100 degrees Fahrenheit on the 11th of February, temperatures plummeted and the town of Magnum, Oklahoma recorded snow on Valentine's Day just over 48 hours later. Next, we've probably all seen a rainbow or two in our time, but have you ever seen a moonbow? Well, one extraordinarily lucky photographer in Montana has. In the summer of 2016, he caught this shot during a late-night thunderstorm. Moonbows are extremely rare. They're created by the light of a bright, near full moon at a position less than 42 degrees above the horizon, illuminating rain on the opposite side of a dark sky. And those are some super specific conditions. For our next item, we need to go slightly further south in the USA to the sunny, sizzling state of Texas and the white Christmas of 2004. The town of Brownsville recorded its first day of measurable snowfall in 109 years, on Christmas Day too, and this unusual weather front also gave nearby Victoria, Texas, its heaviest 24 hours of snow ever, at 12.5 inches. We've had temperature fluctuations, we've had snow. How about hurricanes? We've all seen pictures of the damage that hurricanes can do, though imagine most of us have never actually experienced one in person. Well, in October 2015, Hurricane Patricia hit the coast of Mexico with wind speeds reported of up to 215 miles an hour. Remarkably, despite these incredible speeds, only 2 deaths were actually attributed to the hurricane, due largely to the fact that the core of the hurricane managed to dodge several densely populated areas. What else can we look at? Well, clouds. Clouds are a pretty safe bet, right? Well, if you visit the Gulf of Carpentaria in northern Australia, you're likely to see a phenomenon called roll clouds. These clouds take the form of one long, low tube-shaped cloud which appears to roll through the sky. They can be up to 1,000 kilometres long, reach speeds of 60 kilometres an hour, and be only 100 metres off the ground. Weird, but at least it's not too dangerous. Unlike ball lightning, scientists are still finding ways to explain this natural phenomenon, which takes the form of luminous spheres falling slowly through the sky. They can linger in place for several seconds, unlike normal lightning, which is gone in a flash. Pardon the pun. Unfortunately, ball lightning is incredibly rare and therefore very difficult to study. And the last but dramatic item on our list is a weather phenomenon called volcano lightning, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's also known as dirty lightning and occurs when lightning is created within a volcanic plume. In a normal thunderstorm, lightning is created by ice particles rapidly colliding. In a volcanic storm, rock fragments and ash are mixed into this and collide, creating static electricity, which makes a lightning form. As if an erupting volcano wasn't dangerous enough. So, there you go, some super dramatic, extreme weather. It's always good to be able to hear what the weather's looking like anywhere in the world. But how do we do it? Well, today we are talking about the weather and how we predict it. The study of weather is called meteorology, and sadly has very little to do with the study of meteorites. It comes from the Greek word meteor, meaning air, and technically there are several types of meteor. Hydrometeors, which is rain and snow. Aerometeors, meaning the wind. Pyrometeors, fire. And lithometeors, which is Earth, such as actual meteorites. The Earth's weather has changed a lot over the few billion years it's existed. We've experienced multiple climate changes, ice ages, and the Earth itself used to be one giant landmass called Pangaea. Now, it's impossible to know what the weather would have been like back then, 200 million years ago, but the assumption is that anywhere that we did have would have been much more extreme, since the land masses and bodies of Earth would have been completely separate from each other. Aristotle described weather patterns in 250 BC, and there are examples of weather forecasting in China existing around the same time. The first really modern example of weather forecasting arrived in the 1850s, when Royal Navy officer Francis Beaufort and Robert Fitzroy, a government official and former seaman, became known for their efforts in predicting the weather. Beaufort developed the wind force scale to measure atmospheric changes and encouraged the British government to record accurate tide timings around the country. Fitzroy, with his years of experience navigating the seas, was appointed in 1854 as the chair of a new advisory department whose task was to collect and distribute accurate weather data for commercial use. This department later became known as the Meteorological Office, or Met Office, which is still around today and now employs around 1,500 people. Now, at first, the forecast will only go so far as between 24 and 48 hours in advance, and still occasionally inaccurate due to insufficient data. But as science progressed and new technology was developed, meteorologists gained the knowledge necessary to predict the weather with some accuracy up to 10 days in advance. Satellites and orbital space stations allow us to observe the weather all over the world and instantaneously deliver updates. We have tools like thermometers and barometers to measure temperature and air pressure, respectively. We can detect humidity and wind patterns throughout the layers of Earth's atmosphere. And we also, of course, have computers, which can compile and process a vast amount of information. It's important to remember that a weather forecast is still just a very educated guess, and they can still be wrong from time to time. Famously, in 1987, British weatherman Michael Fish went on to television and reassured people that despite some worry, there would not be a hurricane. And only a few hours later, the Great Storm of 1987 hit southeast England, killing 19 people and causing untold property damage. So, there you go. There's a little information about the magic of weather forecasting.